We'll talk about how can you fix this problem on your DoorDash app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. So when you click on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. So then you go down, keep going down, then you click here on apps. Then come to apps list here, and there you're looking for DoorDash app, or just click on search. Then here at DoorDash app, it's going to show for you like this, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list, click here on force stop, then you click on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache, then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click on it here, then here you search for DoorDash app, it's going to show for you like this, you will find here update, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.